This video demonstrates how to automatically update business statuses on a schedule. Let's use auto-canceling unpaid orders as an example. If an order remains unpaid past a preset time, the system automatically cancels it to release inventory. This approach lets you automate time-sensitive tasks like downgrading expired memberships, releasing unconfirmed reservations, or closing event registrations. First, let's look at the data model. We'll need an order table. Moment tables default to ID and time. We'll use ID as the order number and created underscore at as the order time. Therefore, we just need a new text type status field to record the order's current progress, including pending payment, paid, and canceled. The order table has already been created here. Next, let's build the action flow. Step 1, configure the schedule trigger. Set the start and end times as needed. To quickly see the effect for this demonstration, we will set the frequency to once every minute. Step 2, retrieve overdue unpaid orders. Add a query data node, select the order table as the target, and configure the filter conditions. First, find data where the status equals pending payment. Next, add a time condition, setting the creation time to be less than or equal to the current system time minus 1 minute using the delta formula. Step 3, loop and update orders. Add a loop node using the previous order list as its data source. Inside the loop, add an update data node to change the status field value to canceled for the current order being iterated over. To finalize this, click on the Sync Changes button. Notice the time and execution count decrease each run. The schedule trigger runs at the 53rd second. Manually add 2 order records to the database. The pending order was created at 33 minutes 10 seconds. Wait a minute. At 33:53, it runs. Status unchanged. At 34:53, the action flow runs again. Order time exceeds 1 minute